Alrighty, guys, we're live at 118. We're just about there. This is the final mini for the 18 winner Power of the Force Super Mega Giant Big Battle. I got 28 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random. Top 3 win spots in a main on this one. Are they be 1 through 28? Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 7, so we're golden. Good luck. Here we go. Eric, round 1 and 2. Dennis 3, Eric 4, Eric 5, Steve 6, and our winners are Gary, Eric, and Christopher. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification code and official results. MZXLTS, Gary, Eric, and Christopher are the victors. I'm done at 1:19 p.m. There it is. Again, here's the official results and our winners. Congrats, guys. See you in the main. Good luck.